Hey, what's up? So in this video, I wanted to show you how I generated leads for this marketing agency I was working with. You can see the ad account right here. In the whole campaign, we spent around 5K to get 140 leads. We were targeting mortgage professionals at the time. So here's one example campaign, two ad sets inside, and this ad set specifically, it was a creatives testing ad set. So you can see we have plenty, 9 different ads in here with different creatives, videos, and just one image actually. So you can see the cost per result on average was $28. You can see the click-through rate is not the best, and the cost per click is it's okay, but we were targeting a pretty specific audience. So I would say it's not horrible. If we check the targeting, you can see we excluded a few cities. We like to exclude people who have already filled out a lead form. That way we don't get one person to fill out twice. We were going by a list and we created a lookalike based on this mortgage lenders list, targeting only the US while excluding two locations. And basically that was the targeting. We connected a custom CRM to the ads. This was Go High Level. I'm sure plenty of you are familiar with this. So you can see the opportunities right here. These are all the leads we have generated. You can see 57 leads are still in the new leads section. That means they didn't respond or we didn't follow up. However, we had an automated follow up for each of them. Okay, this email is wrong. Let's check another one. Um, oh, this one as well. Great. Okay, but I can still show you the whole automation. So you can see the follow-ups, the whole email sequence. This is how it looked. And some of them responded. Some of them are still being worked. You can see we booked 2 calls, 10 of them rescheduled. We followed up with 6 of them, and we have 20 hot prospects. So they are being closed, still in the works. And we created the landing page and the whole funnel in Go High Level as well. You can see we have plenty of pages, and I just want to go through them real quick. So we got the CEO of the agency to shoot a quick video for the landing page. This is rare because most business owners won't do it. He explained our offer, and on the next page, you could book a call, and then thank you for scheduling a call with us. You can fill out a quick questionnaire to make our job easier for the next video, or the next call, I should say. And then we also had a lead magnet that was 5 ways to double sales in 90 days. It was just an ebook basically. And then there's even more. So this goes to our offer, which is basically this page. And if you scroll through, we have some testimonials, we have some results, and we have the whole package laid out. So lead generation, automated systems, SEO and social media, and the total value and the limited offer. You can see this $5,000 is a pretty high ticket offer, and I think that was one of the reasons why we didn't close as many clients as we could have, because it's a high ticket offer, and we didn't offer like any smaller ticket. Like, okay, if you book a call with us for $500 or just $200, we will do a report on your brand, on your social media, what you could improve, So just they get a feel of how it is to work with us. And also it was a dead market because we were targeting mortgage professionals at the end of 2022 when the rates started to climb. And when I'm making this video, they are still climbing, and it was hard to generate leads, to find home buyers, people who need mortgages. So that was another reason why this campaign wasn't so good. Unfortunately, the owner wasn't really open to changing niches to target other niches that are more evergreen, even when the rates go up. So maybe healthcare, maybe automotives, but we couldn't change. So this was what we did for this marketing agency. If you have watched this full video, thank you so much, all those two people. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye bye.